So, guys, welcome back to another video. So, not today, but it's been like a couple days. Not much, just another Halloween thing. It's the Zombun is a new skin, and let me just take off like this. Here it is. I mean, you can take it off with like the mask. Like here's with no mask. So you have to kill 1,000 zombies to get it though. So if you just play a bunch of them, you can get them. And I think there is some new ones like this. I don't know. No, it's not new. Some of these might be new. I don't know. I'm not sure, but also if I'm gonna be like this character, but also if you guys want some free hats and free stuff to get this free hat, all you have to enter the code is Z0 let me see it. It's like right there, Z0 bear. Submit and you get the hat. And I already have it, but you get the hat. Then you get some free banners here. So for this one you have to enter tick tock bok. Get that. For this you have to enter tick tock moo. Submit. Get that. For this one, you have to enter tick tock nay. Then submit. Of course, you get that. Then this one, like tick tock oink. Then the final one is tick tock caw. Then you get that, and as of now, there's no more banners you can get for free. I mean, you can get all these for free, but there's nothing else for codes. So I'm just gonna put on my original banner and put on this, and we're gonna play a game. So I haven't done an actual game. I did a horde mode, so I think we're just gonna play a regular game. And I'm not sure, not today, but I'm not sure, soon I will make a
get that scarecrow.
I'll make a video on shotgun farmers, but it's gonna be I'll make another video on shotgun farmers soon. Not sure when, but I will soon. Oh god, I didn't see that guy. This game is a pretty fun game. I just haven't been playing it as much. Did one video and then I just forgot, or didn't forget.
Scarecrow's gone missing again. Double kill.
Gotta go get the scarecrow. I am 19 health. Please say there is some heals. Yep, there is. Pickaxe. Give me that. Yeah, I don't know. I'll do more videos in the future about other games. Like, more Human Fall Flat, definitely gonna be my next video. Like, no question. If it's not, unsubscribe. No, I'm joking. But it's gonna be my next video. Tomorrow. Oh god. I just got triple teamed. But it definitely is going to be my video tomorrow. Like, I've been putting it off by a while. Like, I'm just saying we need another human fall flat. Like, there's a bunch of series I started, but I've never finished them. I'm gonna go get the crop drop. And another lesson is you're holding out this, but if you hold out this, you go way faster. Like, it's a good, nice lesson. I learned it my first day from Ty, my friend Ty. Oh, did I just get killed by the strawberry? Yeah, I just did. I wasn't paying attention. Give me that. What are you doing? Just going back like this. I'm not sure if these are bots or actual players. Like, I've seen some bots that have been in multiple of my games. Oh yeah, we need to go get this. Can't even see in here. No, we need to get that guy. Because they're gonna win. I wasn't even paying attention, and now we're gonna lose. Oh, I get that. Die, Scarecrow. No, there's a guy over there. Oh, get me over there, get me over there, get me over there. No.
Drop incoming.
They're gonna win. They're not even that good, though. We get them, we need to get them. I have a lot of ammo around here, so I am good. Yeah, we're catching up. What? Huh? I was just playing the banjo, didn't even see that guy. Well, we got this, we got this, we got this, we got this. Come on!
Better hurry. Only a minute left. Watch out. The other team's getting close to victory. Only 30 seconds.
can't. They can't. They
I
can't.
feel some rain coming on. Oh, wait,
2, 1.
this thing.
By 1. Roadside. No. Riverside. Oh, capture the pig.
3, 2, 1. Go capture the other pig.
I jumped out and I left. Oh no, 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 no. Need to find a bunch of hidden gnomes or steal the gnomes. Oh no, the pig! I'm sorry, piggy. Got you. Come on, let me ride. We got you, pig.
Drop incoming.
I went the wrong way the whole time. But so are we gonna get a point. There we go. on, help me. Got this.
Your teams go! It's a bird! It's a plane! No, it's a crop drop!
Give me a crop drop.
Your teams go! And ahead, only a minute later.
Come on, we got this.
Only double. Victory!
Yay!